Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now, whatever we post on this channel is for educational purpose only. We won't be responsible for whatever you do with the information or knowledge you gain here. Now, my team and I have developed this AI software, which uses a payment processor. Now, what it does is, it is used for making transfer from a bank log to a receiver account in US or your client's bank account. Now let me open the software to show how it's used. So these are recent transactions I've done for the past 1 month using this software, direct deposit software. What basically does is, you put in the sender information, which is a bank log, which is bought from online dark web shops or vendors. These are the banks it works with. And then the receiver information is your client's information or your USD bank information, where you want the money to be taken from and deposited into. That's all. So from now to whenever, I'll be showing you videos of how transfers are made with the software. Thank you very much.